Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Subaru Impreza. On the Subaru, I'm going to show you where you find your VIN numbers. So the main VIN code is right here, just inside the door. You'd open up the driver's door and we have our main VIN code. And so the VIN number here, you have this barcode and it's telling you what the vehicle is. And then it tells you all the weights and combination on this one. And that this is a Subaru, but the manufacturer that manufactured it is that Fuji Heavy Industries, right? And then our your date code and the month and the year that it was made. So that's our main one. That's right there inside the door and on the little pillar. Now, all right. So we have the other main VIN code. It's located right here at the bottom of the left side of the windshield, your driver's side. And so we have that one. And so those are two of the VIN code locations. And we have one more. There could be various more, sometimes on vehicles, sometimes they're on doors and other panels. This one I've only found the main three. But there's generally always two, can be three or more different VIN codes on your vehicle. So the third one is on the passenger side. Open up the door. On the same pillar panel here, we have the VIN code and the VIN number. And this one actually has a lot more of the information about your vehicle, about the engine type, motor, transmission type, and so forth, is what type of information is on this placard on the pillar on your passenger side door. So that's where you find your three VIN codes on this vehicle. Like I said, there could be more, but you definitely always have two or maybe 2 to 3 that you should be able to find on your vehicle and be able to compare those to make sure that nothing has been changed one way or the other. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.